Hi all and welcome back. Today we're making some lovely Biscoff cream biscuits. They're simple to do and honestly, they taste amazing. If you enjoy a bit of home baking, it'd be lovely if you could give the video a like and maybe subscribe for more easy bakes. Right then, let's get started. First, add 110 grams of unsalted butter, make sure it's at room temperature, into a mixing bowl. Then add 50 grams of dark brown sugar and 50 grams of granulated sugar. Mix it all together until it's nice and creamy. Next, add 1 tablespoon of golden syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the butter and sugar mixture. Mix it all together until it's well combined. In another bowl, add 70 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a small pinch of salt. Give it all a good mix. Now it's time to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Mix it together until it forms a soft dough. Form the dough into a ball and place in the fridge for around half hour. For the biscuit filling, add 50 grams of icing sugar, 50 grams of melted unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of Biscoff spread into a bowl. Mix well, then set it aside for later. Lightly flour your work surface and place the dough ball down. Also, flour your rolling pin, then roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Cut out your biscuits and place them on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Place the biscuits in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 12 minutes. Once the biscuits have cooled, it's time for the cream filling. You can pipe it on if you like, but I just used a knife to spread it.